Building strong and capable SUVs is everyday business for the Jeep brand. And the story continues as the Jeep Compass gets built in India, for India, and the global market. To ensure that only the strongest of materials go into the Jeep Compass, we hot stamp 27 crucial parts. A process that makes the steel really strong while keeping it lightweight. As an added bonus, this also improves the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. To add to the durability of the Jeep Compass, adaptive laser weld arms meticulously weld the SUV into its final impeccable form. These lasers are the tools of heavyweights. At Jeep, we make sure that even the doors are laser welded. An industry-first process, which means that there is no compromise in strength and quality whatsoever. It is this strength that makes the Jeep Compass an engineering marvel.